Welcome back, Crammers, to question 12. The diagram shows a rectangle and a semicircle, semicircles being one half of a circle, with diameter AB, where AB is 12 centimeters. The point E lies on DC and also on the semicircle. Work out the area of the shaded region. Give your answer correct to three significant figures. So first off, we can see that it's a square minus half a circle. So first off, how do we find the area of a rectangle? It is length times width. However, width is not given. All we're given is diameter, but as we can see, A to B diameter is simply equal to 2r. And since diameter is 12, we divide both sides by 2, and radius is given to us as 6. So that means the width from here is actually 6. So length times width is 12 times 6. Now we have to subtract the area of the semicircle. So an area of a regular circle is pi r squared. Since this is a semicircle, exactly half of one, we simply put a half here. So we're going to subtract a half pi, and the radius we already found as 6 squared. So we can put this into calculator to find our final answer. We start off with bracket 12 times 6 bracket, subtract 1 over 2 into pi into 6 squared. And then we close the bracket. We get 15.45. 15.45 to three significant figures. So that's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 to 4 we round down. 5 to 9 we round up. And since this is 5, we round up. So we get 15.5 centimeters squared. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.